I'm Donnie Martin, Master Electrician and owner of TECL Electric. Today we're going to talk about Eaton home surge protection units. So this is the unit that we've installed in this house, and when you're going to install this any type of surge protection unit on your home, the most important thing that needs to be checked is your grounding to ensure that it is current and up to code standards. Alright, so we have this Eaton unit installed on this home, and a couple great things about this piece of equipment is it protects the home from in-home power surges, utility grid power changes and power surges, and also lightning strikes. So when you're looking to install one of these units on your home, contact a master electrician to help you to ensure that your grounding is current and up to code and the unit gets installed properly in your panel. My name is Donnie Martin, Master Electrician. Give us a call.